So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems with your network, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. And now for the second method, you're going to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, you're going to double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now once you're on this, you're going to select obtain an IP address automatically, you're going to tick this box, and now under it you're going to select obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So you want to make sure that you have these both on the default options, and then click on OK. See if that works. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes, and then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, click on enter, and now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset, click on enter again, and now you just want to restart your computer, and then hopefully this will not fix your problem.